Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make automatic night light pen stand. These are the materials required to make this project. Firstly, solder the components on the PCB as per this circuit diagram. Let's first test it for its working. LEDs will be off in light and will turn on in darkness. To make a body for the pen stand, cut out the cardboard pieces of size as shown. Fold the cardboard and paste the paper on the inner side. Now fix 4 LEDs on the 4 corners. Also, hot glue the pieces to make a base for the pen stand. Then join the body with the base. At last, give some final touch to it. With this, our automatic night light pen stand is ready. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.